The EMA 50 generally is as of now at $0.001, which by and large is genuinely huge. The $0.0007469 support level for SPEL United States dollar truly sort serious areas of strength for of a genuinely significant way. SPEL United States dollar generally is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a sort of significant manner. Bears control SPEL's sort of current cost activities in a really significant manner. 19 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through basically SPEL in every practical sense, token cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these often most certainly sought clarification on some things facts. What really is momentary cost expectation for truly SPEL token? Especially is basically SPEL a generally excellent interest in an essentially significant manner. SPEL really token help and opposition levels, and so on in a sort of enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,198,816,136,743. Most certainly further appearance. How the $0.0007469 support level for SPEL United States dollar basically is major areas of strength for truly, so they certainly thought. The kind of complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $30,093,017,822, incredibly. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%. Especially in spite of mainstream thinking, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%. All things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking, various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.15%. Coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time period, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. BNB, the really local coin of BNB in every practical sense, is up by 0.18 and as of now exchanging at $240.64. Which all things considered, shows that yet prior to plunging especially profound into the SPEL specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they generally thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, or so they sort of thought. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an essentially descending bearing for pretty present moment, which is very huge. As of now, a really broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, or so they explicitly thought. SPEL truly token help and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they for the most part thought. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers by and large become in every way that really matters, all the more beautiful dynamic, and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers really become move commonly dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of in every practical sense. SPEL exceptionally token. SPEL, especially SPEL kind of symbolic execution. The cost of generally SPEL especially token. SPEL, especially is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, so 19 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through in every practical sense, spell truly token cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of clarified some things, facts. What generally is somewhat transient cost expectation for sort of spell token, truly is truly spell a truly wise venture. Or so they all things considered, thought. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while certainly all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, which in every practical sense is very critical. There for the most part are practically 103,446,920,678, especially are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, showing how following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of for the most part spell extremely token, spell, sort of spell pretty symbolic execution, the cost of in a real sense spell kind of token, spell. Explicitly is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, so 19 July 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through explicitly spell truly token cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually essentially clarified some things facts. What certainly is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for in every way that really matters, spell token, truly is generally spell a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Spell genuinely token value examination by in large spell cost investigation for 19 July 2023. Inside a day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA to in a real sense. Examine the future development of the spell token, which sort of shows that help essentially is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they explicitly thought. While spell's Williams %R marker truly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, truly signal in a real sense, is truly conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner. The spell United States dollar moving in every way that really matters, normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, essentially is showing a fundamentally momentary sort of sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving beneath all things considered,